When purchasing homeowners insurance, your first inclination may be to insure your home for the amount you paid for it. Most of the time, though, that's not enough. That's because there's a difference between your home's market value and its replacement cost. Understanding that difference could save you a lot of money. Your home's market value is an estimate of how much you would sell for in the current housing market. Some of the factors that affect this valuation are the value of the land, its location, the internal and external characteristics, and current supply and demand. On the other hand, your home's replacement cost is an estimate of the necessary cost to replace or rebuild your home using like-kind materials. Oftentimes, the replacement cost valuation is higher than market value because it considers the labor and materials expenses required to rebuild your home today. Which should you base your insurance coverage on then? Well, imagine you've lost your home in a fire. Prior to the fire, the market value and replacement costs were valued at $300,000 and $500,000, respectively. If you had insured your home at market value, your insurance limits wouldn't be able to fully cover the rebuild, leaving you with a significant gap in coverage. You would have to come out of pocket to pay this difference, or build a less expensive replacement home. If a market value policy is all you're able to afford, you'll at least be able to recoup a portion of your home's value after a loss. Alternatively, if you had replacement cost insurance in place, the entirety of the rebuild would have been covered by the limits on your insurance policy. Oftentimes, as in this example, replacement cost is the best choice to minimize any gap in coverage. That may not always be the case, though, so it's important to have an agent help you determine which coverage is right for you. Whichever level of coverage you choose, you should review your policy regularly, as both market value and replacement cost fluctuate over time. Call us today to make sure you have the correct coverage in place.